Hello students, let's learn about definition of computer, how does the computer work and characteristics of computer. Computer word derived from the word compute, which means calculate. Yes, which means calculate means we can perform any task or any event by giving the data to the system. Computer stands for Common Oriented Machine, particularly used for technical educational research. Common Oriented Machine, particularly used for technical education research. It is a simple electronic device which accepts data in the form of input and stored in the memory location and process it and generate accurate result in the form of output. Then how does the computer work? In simple example, when you are preparing a tea, we add sugar, milk, tea powder and water. These are all considered as input. After adding all, we have to boil. That boiling is called processing. After boiling, we get tea is called output. Yes, one more example. If you are adding two numbers, then you get 2 plus 3. Two numbers 2 and 3. These two numbers are data values or input data values. Then here what event or what task is doing? Addition. Addition then is called processing. Then finally what we get after adding two numbers 2 plus 3, it generates value 5, is called output. Like how the computer works with the input data and stores in the memory location and performs some task, there is called processing, and after processing it generates some information, is called output. Then what is data? Data is a unprocessed value or raw fact which may include text oriented data or number, image, audio and video clip. Process is nothing but it performs some task or it performs some event with the given data to the system. For example, arithmetic and logical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulus operations, and logical operations like logical and nothing but logical multiplication, logical or nothing but logical addition, and NOT is nothing but inverse function. And output is a information. Information is a processed data, means the computer processed data is known as information, which conveys some meaning to the user. See, in this example, 2 and 3 are the data values and addition is the process and 5 is the information. Then move on to the characteristics of computer. The characteristics of computers are speed, storage or memory devices, accuracy, divisions, versatility, automation and cost effectiveness. Speed. Computer can work very speed when compared to the manual work. The computer work can measure in terms of MITS, million instructions per second, and PITS, million instructions per second. Million instructions per second and billion instructions per second. The next one is storage or memory devices. A computer can store a large amount of data and information. The memory devices are categorized in two types: primary memory and secondary memory devices. Primary memory is considered as a main memory which stores data and which stores intermediate data, means processing data in the memory locations temporarily, and it uses two types of devices, RAM and ROM. RAM stands for random access memory. ROM stands for read-only memory. When the data is transferred from hard disk to the RAM, then it stores the data temporarily in RAM chip, that is random access memory, and ROM, it is read-only memory. It stores data permanently at the manufacture of the chip. Read-only memory. And we discuss about primary memory and secondary memory devices in the next further classes in detail. And what is secondary memory? The secondary memory is an external memory which is used to store data permanently for the further future use. For example, CD, hard disk, DVD, pen drive, memory card, floppy disk, Blu-ray disk are the secondary memory storage devices. And the computer memory devices are measured in terms of bits or bytes. Bits or bytes. 8 bits is equal to 1 byte. Okay, the computer memory device is measured in terms of bits or bytes. 8 bits is nothing but 1 byte. The next is accuracy. The computer generates accurate result with the given input data without any mistakes. That is called as accuracy. The next one is diligence. Being a machine, a computer does not suffer from tiredness and lack of concentration. Is called diligence. Diligence means being a machine, a computer does not suffer from tiredness and lack of concentration. Next, versatility. A computer can work the number of applications at a time. Means computers are capable of performing number of tasks at a time is called multitasking, is known as versatility. Means the number of application softwares can run at the same time. Next, automation. A computer simply it is considered as an electronic device or calculator machine. When the program is in the memory device, then it transfers data instructions one by one to the control unit for execution. Once all instructions are transferred to the control unit, then the processor or CPU follows these instructions. It will performs until it reaches last instruction in the program. Means when you write a program step by step, those instructions are stored in the memory devices. Then those instructions are transferred one by one to the control unit for execution. And the processor and CPU follows these instructions and executes one instruction by another until it reaches last instructions to stop the execution of the program. Is called automation. The next one is cost effectiveness. Computers reduces the amount of paperwork and human effort by reducing their cost. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ವರ್ಕನ್ನು ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಎಫರ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇದರಿಂದ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ನೆಸ್. These are all characteristics of computer.